Brett from Patio Pleasures here. I want to show you how our CoverMate 1 cover lifts work on all our Marquis and Bullfrog Spas. First, you'll have the buckles on the front. This is our showroom model. We have not attached the buckles. What's really important is you want to make sure those buckles are unbuckled before you open the cover. You'll have 2 on the front and 2 on the back. It's very important that you open all 4 before opening up the cover, as you can break the back ones. The cover lifter will never be attached to the cover itself. Anytime you puncture the cover, you're going to void your warranty on the cover, so that's why we use this type of cover lifter. Once you have your cover unbuckled, you'll fold it over the bar. Once you have it halfway open, grab the bar and just pick up the bar. Now you want to set this cover back gently. Don't let it slam back on the rests, because you'll end up bending your cover lifter, and eventually it will break that way. Your cover lifter's open now and you're ready to use the tub. When you're done using the tub, it's just the opposite. Grab the bar, pull your cover down, get it halfway down, take your other half, get about halfway over. What I like to do is get about halfway down, let the cover drop. This way the air puffs out the skirting and it seals on the hot tub. That way you don't have to walk around the tub and pull the skirting out all the way around. Make sure you buckle your clips again, front and back, and that's how you use your CoverMate 1 cover lifter.